Welcome to Let's Talk Slots. We're still in Osceola, Iowa, and we're going to do a free flow Friday, so very few edits.
Yep.
And we're going to start with Wanda's machine.
Yep.
It's called Heartthrob for those of you that are not Wanda, that you don't know Wanda.
That's right.
So Heartthrob, and then yeah, we're going to just walk around and
play a little bit.
Edits.
Yeah.
We're downstairs in
Lakeside.
Lakeside.
Yeah.
Attention Lakeside Casino.
All right.
Gerald Putoff, please come to the guest service center, please. Gerald Putoff, please come to the guest service center.
That
Cool.
thing hit you?
Yeah. My machine, or the camera tried to attack me, so. All right, there you go.
All right. Now I got to maneuver around that thing.
Yep. We're going to do a couple hundred each.
Yep.
Maybe more, but I doubt it.
Yeah, we'll just see how it goes.
We'll do the responsible thing.
Yeah. We're going to keep decent sized bets.
3.
You good on the sound?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Oh.
All right.
Should have quit. I was back to the 100.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. No, I was wanting to get the moon bonus, so.
Yeah, we got to get the moon bonus. It's such a good bonus. You need 3 of them, by the way, if you're counting at home.
That's right.
Or 6 hearts. It is a multiplier bonus, so it's my favorite. Ooh, he's hopping around.
Yeah.
Moon! That would have been awesome.
Oh, yeah.
4!
Oh, come on. 3.
I mean, 3.
Well, 4 would have worked.
Yeah. Moon. Moon!
Being we're looking for that bonus, my thought behind it was a lower denomination, higher bet, maybe.
Yeah. It's a thought.
Seems to be that's all it was. Moon.
Mm. Queens all the way.
Bet back plus.
Yeah. Something. Nope.
Noise. 3.
2, 1.
Moon. Moon.
No. 4.
In the live the other night, Wanda said that you spin too fast.
Yeah.
And I take my time in there spinning.
Yeah. I like to power through, you know?
Get in, get out.
Yeah.
Come on. Moon.
Moon! Ah.
Oh,
3.
Come on.
1.
We have no clue to why we're yelling out numbers. We're just yelling numbers. I mean, before I hit the button, I should just say 6.
Yeah. I think that's probably the reason why Dude Luck always says results. 'Cause,
Yeah.
you know, that's the easiest thing. Results.
Yeah, you don't have to be right.
2. No.
There's too much red going on there.
Yeah. A little bit of roses.
Did you leave them by the stairs?
What?
Roses? You don't know that song? No, that's probably not even how the song goes.
No idea. 4, 1. You. And even the heart chocolates looks like a little heart, you know? Four.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, 5 of them, 3 ways.
Yeah. All right. All right.
Take that 4. No. Moon. Moon.
Ooh.
2. Gosh. Those are decent numbers for a $1.50 bet.
Yeah.
4.
You said doves were the #1 symbol, right?
Correct.
Okay. Moon, moon, moon.
And then when you hit at 2 or more, it's what it sounds like when doves cry. Yes!
I couldn't even enjoy the bonus because of that.
he was so deep into sighing
Oh my
that
God.
he couldn't even enjoy the bonus
Yay,
hit.
we got a bonus. Yay.
According to Prince, that's what it sounds like when. Oh, you see the blue one?
Yeah.
2 blue ones. There was a blue one here too.
Yeah. Let's fill it up.
All right.
Anything?
Uh-oh.
Say it. Come on.
Here it comes. Oh, the green one. Oh no.
Boo.
All right. Well, you just got a bonus.
Yeah. Can't speed it up. Can't speed it up. So there are dragon links upstairs here. You can speed it up in there. So they
In the high limit room.
Yeah, in the high limit room.
4. Moon. Nah, you son of a gun. You son of a gun.
I was thinking I changed it just in time.
Yep.
Moon. Oh, it.
It just dipped below. 4.
Ooh.
All right, Kim and Jed, you hear that one?
Yeah. Lots of volume on that one.
4. Ah.
Every time I hear that, you ever watch Gabriel Iglesias?
Yeah.
Fluffy?
Yeah.
He's like,
Yeah. My favorite bit is when he's in India and the driver won't disturb a cow that's on the road.
Yeah.
And somehow it turns it into basically like, well, there's a guy that, died from a car wreck, and he's like, it's probably the cow.
Yeah.
Like he's probably reincarnated as the cow.
They reincarnated, yeah.
Oh, 2 moons on the end.
I know. Roses.
Moon. What's the old saying? The roses are red, violets are blue. God made me pretty. What happened to you?
Yeah.
I miss grade school sometimes,
Why, you still act like you're in there.
Yeah, but everyone around me acts like adults. Moon.
That's awesome. I figured if I lowered it down to $1, we would if we might see a moon bonus.
Moon bonus.
And it just does not want.
It doesn't want to come.
Nah. Nah.
4. Oh, they're playing my next machine that I plan on playing. Now you got to make this last. You got to hit a bonus. No, don't go to 50 cents. That would have been funny.
Yeah.
Moon. 4. Oh.
Okay.
All right.
Bet back plus. It might just be impossible to hit the moon bonus.
Yeah.
Lots of noise for nothing.
3, 2, 1, 0. All right, Will.
All right, dubs a little bit. Dubs. Okay.
Does. Give you enough for another spin.
Oh yeah.
3. Oh. All right.
Got it.
Got him.
Boo.
Alrighty, so I had my secondary machine picked out,
Okay.
and it's over to the right. So there's a bunch of people in here, so you're going to get acquainted with the floor.
Yeah. The ceiling's not as nice here.
Yeah. So
You
here's
want
the
your,
floor.
Mountain Dew?
Yes, please.
All right.
All right. This is a game I don't think we've ever played on the channel, and of course it's out of service.
Do what?
It's out of service.
Oh.
Well,
There hadn't been anybody on those games all day long
I know.
until you want to play it.
well, when I looked over, 2 of them were free. 2,
Yeah.
And I couldn't even see the third. So here we go. Here's my third alternate. Firelink. We haven't played this game, the old school
Oh, the
Firelink.
Route 66.
Yeah. So we got Route 66. All right. Let's start with some nickels. I'm gonna. Oh, hey. Look at this. You could bet $1 on nickels.
Oh, okay.
I never knew that.
How you like me now?
Go in. Uh-oh. Technical difficulties.
Is that one not working?
I think it's operator error.
Oh, now it wants to make the noise. It spit it out.
Okay, I'm having difficulties putting this $100 in.
All right.
All right, here we go. Firelink. $2 or $1 a spin
Okay.
for now. I mean, I'm gonna go up here because I'm not a big fan of $1.
Yeah, you just want to fill it out a little bit. Oh,
Too loud.
you need 4 of them, right?
Correct.
Yeah. Oh,
Well, okay.
that was some serious mixing and matching there.
Yeah. All right.
Oh,
I think you need that on 2, 3, and 4.
yeah, that's what it looks like
Yeah.
and sounds like.
Yeah.
Now the werewolf game's open.
Yeah.
Oh, that's funny.
That was my second choice.
Yeah.
It's all right though. All right, we're gonna go up to $2.
Oh.
That would have been perfect. We're gonna add in 3. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3.
Oh. Minnie's up to 70 bones up there.
So my effective bet is $2.
And Joe, how do you get that number?
You take all your bets and divide it by the number of bets you're doing. So I'm doing 3 bets. 1 bet's $1, 1 bet's $2, and 1 bet's $3.
Mhm.
So you add them all together, which would be $6,
Mhm.
divided by 3, which is $2.
Okay.
So that's your effective bet.
That question was for y'all out there. I actually knew that.
Uh-huh.
I did. Oh, 15 bucks.
Oh, are those wild? Those are wild.
Yeah.
I didn't realize those are wild.
Attention Lakeside Casino. The final 2 winners of our Shamrock Shenanigans hot seat are Tiffany Mass and Sarah Feld. You now have 5 minutes to make your way to the marketing window next to the guest service center or contact the Lakeside Channel.
Hey, nice numbers on $3 too.
Yeah, it's a $30 ball.
Yeah. Okay. All right. 2 more and we're like the Jefferson. Oh,
Those don't do me any good up there. Oh,
there we go. There you go. 1 more. There it is.
Now 2 more for another 15 bucks.
All right, got to save it here. Come on.
Dude.
Ooh. Nice little bonus, though.
Not bad. All right, almost. Well, sweet. 149 bucks. My floor is $100.
Okay.
Got to do a few backups.
Dice.
And there's 3. So we're gonna add in the $5 bet.
Ooh.
Oops, I meant to add the $5 bet in. I go up. Oh, that'd have been awesome. All right. So $1, $2, $3, $5.
What's your effective bet now?
6, 11 divided by 4 is like 250.
There you
No,
go.
275. 275. No, I'm wrong.
Second guessing yourself?
No, I'm right. I don't know.
There's some odd change
Yeah.
in there.
All right, well, we're getting back to by 100. Okay. 2. No.
Come on!
Okay, and I don't have enough to do a $5 bet, so we do one more 3.
Nice.
All right, well, 175. Got my $100 back.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, have you had your second machine picked out?
I do, but I want to make a quick walk to see if that other Stinking Rich has volume.
Okay, it does. I heard it.
Oh,
You
yeah?
now have 3 minutes to make your way to the marketing window. Tina Marie Mass. 3 minutes.
Now we got to go check to see if it's open then.
All right, get acquainted with the floor, peoples.
That's right.
How you doing? All right, this is how Sub-Zero walks. We're getting from about the knees down.
But if not, I've got a secondary, so.
Okay. Kind of like a dairy farmer that has 2 of them. He has a secondary. I'm on fire today.
Oh my gosh.
I'm on fire today.
In Fuego.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. We got some Stinking Rich.
Y'all know I got to play Stinking Rich.
Yeah. That's because Sub-Zero is Stinking Rich.
Yeah. I'm just stinking. Man, this machine is so old, the metal has worn off. Look at that.
Yeah.
All right.
Good luck.
Yeah, buddy.
It doesn't have any sound.
Are you serious? I can't do this twice.
I don't know.
Oh, wait a minute.
What?
Well, it's a big line hit. We can move.
All right. Where do you want to move to?
I know my other game, and it's something that I used to play all the time back in Biloxi,
Yeah.
and I haven't seen it in a long time.
But it's here.
It is here, and that was all that I would play. And they came out with a newer version and changed it, and I didn't like the newer version.
Okay.
How you doing?
Excuse me.
It
Where's
was
it at?
facing. Oh, it's right here.
Oh, okay.
Jungle Wild. This is one of those older games. Oh, hit the camera.
All right.
Chair's right behind you, so be careful.
There you go.
How many of y'all have ever played this original version? It
I
says
think I have.
winning streak up there, but then they came out with a Jungle Wild that had 2 over here, and it would connect up there. So,
Okay.
let's see.
I'm gonna see if there's sound real quick.
Okay. Oh yeah.
All right, there we go. Go ahead.
And what you're looking for here are 3 of those, and it brings you to the bonus.
The winner of our redraw for our final Shamrock Shenanigans hot seat is Debbie Beathers. You now have 5 minutes to make your way to the marketing window next to the guest service center.
Oh.
Or contact Lakeside employees.
Why am I down to
Debbie
$66?
Beathers.
I'm
'Cause you're-
betting 250.
You're betting $12.50. That's why.
Oh my goodness! What a mistake.
Like being a vegan, mistake.
Yeah, a mistake. Oh man, that's going to shorten my play time.
Tremendously.
Well, that was a dummy. And obviously that's wild.
All right, I'm messing with the camera, trying to get it as straight as possible. I don't know what's going on.
Okay.
Either it's off kilter or my camera's off kilter.
We are on a boat.
That's true. Main Street.
What do we got going on here? So the original game didn't have this winning streak. So I'm assuming it's over with now.
Yeah, because you
Didn't win.
get another win.
Okay. I didn't know anything about the winning streak.
All right, well,
It was just the Jungle Wild.
there you go again. All right, got some aces, and now it's going to push
Okay.
it up.
So you have to keep having a winning spin.
Yeah, Yep, that's it.
Out. Okay.
Interesting.
Yeah. And that comes from having 2 of the winning streak things. I just wanted to play Jungle Wild. I didn't know I was getting into the second half here.
The newer version.
Yeah.
Queens, winning streak.
Now you gotta have 2 of them.
Gotta have 2 of them.
Come on. Uh-oh. Oh, man. Another one would have been great.
Ah, again.
Yeah. Okay.
There we go.
Aces. Nope.
Yep. All right.
You should let me keep on betting the 1250, and we would have moved on to another machine. Oh.
Looks like the pyramids are only in 135.
Nah, they could come up on all of them, I think, if I remember correctly.
It only makes a noise if it lands on 1. That's why I say that.
Okay.
If it lands on 3, it doesn't make a noise. Ah.
Been a long time since I've played this game.
Okay.
Okay. Bet back plus. Maybe you're right. 135.
Come on. See, it made a noise on 3. So I think it's 135 because they didn't make a noise there. So.
Right. Oh, that's nice. That's a good symbol. 360. You need to hit something else so it doubles. Yes.
All right. Boom. Got a while in the sitting to get. Come on. Aw. Ooh. Is the heads the best symbol?
Yeah, that's the top symbol. Well, I kind of messed that up by doing $12 bets.
Yeah. I didn't pay attention. I
saw $2.50 and I was thinking, no, $2.50. Dummy. Ooh.
Headdress? Oh. Come on. Come on. Ah.
It doesn't give you a sweat at the end, does it?
No. All right, well. You think it has a wave saver?
Doubt it.
Not a
Very
chance.
seriously.
Not a chance.
Oh, we were wrong.
It does.
How about that?
Come on, get it. Oh.
All right. Well, sorry about the 1250 bets, but
Yeah, well, you
I
never
saw
know.
Jungle Wild and I got all excited about it.
All right, so we're going to go to what I hoped was my first machine, and hopefully it's still open.
Oh yeah.
Although I feel like people can sense what I was going to play,
Yeah. I
and then
got
they
it.
jump on it.
Holy.
Got it?
Yeah.
All right. All right, here comes the floor again. There was one on the other side. I could have played that one. I didn't realize. I thought it was
We
only
didn't know
one.
it was there.
All right, I'm gonna play Voodoo. I never played this game on the channel. I don't think. I did see a guy hit the grand on the Voodoo jackpots at the Highland Room in Caesars. It's like $100,000, I think.
Was he betting more than $1.25?
Yeah, I think he was betting $50.
Oh, okay.
All right, so here we go. We can bet nickels. 330 is the min bet. So,
I think I left my card over there.
did you?
Yeah. Let me run over here and grab it. Go ahead and start without me.
All right. All right. Now that I got the camera semi-situated. All right, here we go.
All right.
Nothing.
Uh-oh.
Come on, land him.
What do you have to have?
You got to get the dude in the middle.
Oh.
But he can also throw himself down, or throw whatever you need in the middle.
Gotcha.
It's almost a guarantee, by the way, that if you have a bunch of those, you don't get it. That's why some people don't like these games, because they can tease you and not even. Oh, there we go. That's what I need.
Okay.
We get 8 free games.
Oh, he can give you free games too?
Yeah, he can throw up the thing and give you 8 free games.
Ah, gotcha.
There's sort of an implication you can pop both too, so I don't know what that does.
Okay. So do you think the smoke and color coming off the heads is the
it's
perceived?
yeah. That is the 100% perceived progression.
Okay. Okay.
Free games? Nope. Oh, come on.
Oh,
I need
goodness.
the wheel. I need the wheel.
Yes.
Got the wheel.
Hey, nice.
And the mini. 1250. That's not
Yeah,
bad.
but still.
No, no.
God.
That was almost the grand. Sorry, I didn't get the
Oh.
arrow in there.
Golly.
That was one away from the, like, it went to the tip of the grand.
Suspect. Oh, you got 12.
Oh, I got 12 free games?
Yeah.
Well, all right then.
Dude, that was crazy.
Yeah. All right.
Suspect physics.
Suspect physics indeed. By the way, in the free games, he skates there. That's the
Okay.
mini. Another 1250. Pop? Nope.
So that 12 free games reset.
Oh, nice. Yeah, it's at 6 and it goes up.
Gotcha.
As the smoke gets higher, it goes up. So
The perceived progression.
come on. Nope, no re-trigger. Come on. All right. Got 6 more games.
That poor speaker's struggling. You hear it?
Yeah. There's the mini.
Again.
Nope, they went up to 7 now. Speed up 10.
Well,
It's over 5.
he's throwing those needles
Yeah.
out there, and it could increase, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's a chance it can pop. There's a chance it can increase. There's. Nope. All right. 4 more spins. Come on. Be good.
Somebody left it on 12 for us. That was awesome.
Yeah, that was nice of them. All right.
Okay.
Candles. All right. Oh, we didn't get at least 4 of a kind. Oh, I thought.
All right, come on. Point us.
Oh,
Nice.
all right. Not bad at all.
Put you over 100.
Yeah. Got 2 more spins. Come on. Be good.
Re-trigger. Let's go. Oh,
There it goes
nice.
again. Come on. It's up big. Oh, got the
Ding.
mini. Pop. Nope.
All right. Keep it on there for us. Let's go.
Come on. One last time.
Nah.
All right, then.
Not bad at all.
50, about a 50 times bonus.
Yep.
Not bad. Well, got the
Well.
wheel.
Yeah.
Pretty good. All right. Well, actually, I kind of like that.
Yeah, yeah.
200
we
bucks.
We can call it there.
Yeah. So
You gotta do a backup spin.
no, I don't
No,
have to back
you
up
don't
spin.
have
We're responsible gambling.
Okay. All right. Okay.
So I put in 2, out with 3.
I put in 2 out with nothing.
Sub-Zero put in 2, out with 0.
Yeah.
So $400 in, 301. Well, let me put the
I
other
think
thing
you got
in.
a little bit extra on
Yeah,
that
yeah.
ticket.
So 300 and 175. So not bad.
Nah.
All right. Appreciate every like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you all in the next video.
Thank y'all.